think it's filling up. It's leaking pretty bad down there, but I don't know. I can't try to get in there to see. I'm gonna see if I can get a look down in there. Let's see if I can see if it's filling up. I can't tell. Need a flashlight. But it sounds like the bird is coming up higher. Aaron, do you know where a flashlight is?
Nope. Let me see.
Be careful. That bird flies out, might knock you off the ladder. Flashlight up here. Shoot. Oh wait, what's this? Shoot. Alright. Aaron, let me get up real quick. Watch out. It's coming up. Can't see anything. I'm afraid there's too much water coming out the bottom. I don't know. Wait a minute. How is it coming out? How do I have water here? Is it leaking? Must be leaking like through the seam or something. I don't know, guys. I have no idea. Oh, I see the water line. It is coming up. The water's rising. I think the bird's coming out. It's splashing at the top.
Now come down.
Oh my gosh. It's not a bird. Or if it is a bird, there's also some kind of other thing in there. Shoot, now it's coming out of here. I hope that's not as far as it. Oh, it is a bird. It's up the top. I saw it. I don't know if you can see it. It's floating. Oh, there he is. Oh, I gotta get to the bottom. There he is. There he is. There he is. He's out. We got him. We got him. Look at him. You see him? Woo! He's wet. He's wet. Hey, Aaron, can you turn the water off, please?